Wait.
Okay, one more time. What's this say?
Hope. What? Neck.
Hunt.
Hot.
That's what you said.
Me.
Good job. What does that one say? We're almost done.
Home. Was to play with me.
Okay, down here. Now we got this one. Almost all done. Doing good. Can you read this one? Almost all done. Just a couple more and we're all done. What's this one?
Bet.
No, right here. Bubba, almost all done. Let's finish. Right here. Can you read right here?
Right. Fight.
Who's this?
Fight.
Yep. Read this right here.
Fight.
Okay.
Carl, will you read the last sentence for
Can
us?
you read this last sentence? Are you okay?
Okay,
Stop
Bob.
choking yourself. Come on. We're almost all done. What's this one say? What's this one? Can you read?
Who wants to read with me?
Good job.
I do, Carl. Daddy wants to read with you.
Okay, now who's this one?
We. Who was to stop with
Sing.
see with me?
Who wants to sing with you?
Ooh, this is Mama's favorite one. Carl, right here. Okay.
I did it.
You did it. One more. Here we
Here
go. What's this one? Come on, you can do it. One more. Right here.
I did.
One more.
Who was to eat with me?
Last one.
All
And
right.
you're all done.
Since I think since the week. What day?
Alligator.
I did. No. Oh wait. This with who?
Say little.
Went to out.
There you go.
Good job, Carl.
Good job, Carl.
Woo! Do we get a high five?
I did.
All done.
Okay, good job, kiddo. You
your
did good.
homework.